Welcome back to 100 words for 100 days. In this quick learning English video, we are going to learn a word off the hook. As usual, I'm gonna show you an example sentence. I want you to listen to that and let's guess the meaning. At first, Sam was suspected of stealing money from the safe, but he was let off the hook after security camera footage showed it was someone else. What do you think this means? Well, if you escape from something else or able to avoid obligation, responsibility, and also difficulty. Yeah, I am here. Supposed to be you're speaking with your friend. So someone tries to call you, your phone shows them the busy tone, they're being out of catch up. Let's have a look on this example sentence. I thought you had that big work event tonight. No, it got cancelled, so I'm off the hook. As a slang, this word help you to show your enjoyable moments and appearing. For example, that band's new song is really off the hook. In upcoming days, if any one of your friends would avoid you to take to the party, there you can say, thanks for getting me off the hook. I never want to have a party with you. Okay, I will meet you with the new words next video. Till then,